How to make wooden birds. How to carve a wooden bird. The detailed guide on how to whittle a bird. Wooden bird. Are you a fan of nature and all its beautiful creatures? Do you love wood carving and want to combine the two? If so, you have come to the right place. In this article, we will reveal all the secrets and tell you how to carve a wooden bird that will make your heart sing. Carving wooden birds is a satisfying and enjoyable experience that lets you create a beautiful, handcrafted work of art. Whether you are a seasoned wood carver or a beginner looking to try something new, this detailed guide will teach you how to carve a bird from start to finish. From choosing suitable tools and bird carving supplies to adding the finishing touches to your carved wooden bird, we've got you covered. So, let's soar into the world of bird carving and unleash your inner wood carving wizard. What materials do you need for bird carving? Before you start carving, you will need to gather the right materials and bird carving supplies. Of course, the most important thing need is carving tools and wooden blocks suitable for carving. Basswood and butternut are popular because they are soft, easy to work with, and have a nice grain. If you're a beginner, you might prefer to start with pre-cut bird carving blanks with the rough shape of a bird. It can save you time and help you focus on adding details to your carved wooden bird. Comfort bird carving kit. Furthermore, you will also need bird carving patterns, paint, and brushes, or if you want to add colors to your bird carving, or wax, or if you prefer to leave the natural look of the wood and give it a beautiful, subtle shine. And please, don't forget about safety gear. Use proper safety tape or gloves to protect your hands, a dust mask to avoid inhaling wood particles, and glasses to protect your eyes. What tools do you need to carve a bird? For carving wooden birds, you'll need reliable, high-quality carving knives and various cutting tools. Here's a list of the most commonly used tools in bird carving. 1. A whittling knife for carving and shaping the bird's body. 2. A detail carving knife with a smaller blade for making precise cuts and adding intricate details. 3. Wood chisels and gouges for removing larger amounts of wood, creating more rounded shapes, adding details. 4. A V-tool for making narrow, straight cuts and adding texture to your bird carving. 5. Sharpeners, such as a leather strop and polishing compound to maintain the edges of your carving knives and tools. 6. Sandpaper to smooth out the surface of your bird carving and remove any rough spots or tool marks. Carving tools. Bird carving kit. When choosing your tools, look for high-quality materials that will last a long time and provide a comfortable grip. How much time does it take to whittle a bird? The time it takes to carve a bird depends on your skill level, the complexity of the design, and the size of the bird. A simple design may only take a few hours, while a more detailed bird carving could take several days. But please, don't rush the process. Creating beautiful hand-carved wooden birds takes time, patience, and practice. Step-by-step bird carving guide. Carving a wooden bird requires patience, attention to detail, and supplies. Now that you have your materials and tools ready, let's get started with our step-by-step guide to carving a wooden bird. Bird carving guide. Choose the right wood for bird carving. The first step is to choose the right wood for your project. As mentioned earlier, basswood and butternut are popular choices for their ease of carving. Ensure the wood is free of knots or defects that make carving difficult. Prepare templates of wooden bird pattern. One of the best ways to start carving a bird is by using a bird template or pattern to guide you. It can be a drawing or a printed image that you transfer onto the block of wood. You can find many bird carving patterns and templates available online or including on Beavercraft, or create your own. Prepare whittling tools. Preparing your tools is a crucial step before carving a wooden bird. A properly sharpened and maintained tool can make all the difference in carving. Cut the extra wood. If the block of wood is larger than your design, use a whittling knife or a chisel to carve away the excess wood. Leave enough wood for the wings, tail, and other details. Carve a bird around the template. Using your carving knife, start shaping the bird around the template. Work slowly and carefully, making minor cuts and checking your progress frequently. Complete the bird's shape. Once you have the basic shape of the bird, use your carving or whittling knife to shape the head, legs, wings, and tail. Pay attention to the proportions and symmetry of the bird's body, and make sure all the parts fit together seamlessly. Sand the wooden bird with sandpaper. Once you've completed the carving, it's time to sand the bird with sandpaper. Start with coarse grit and work up to a finer grit for a smooth finish. Sand the wooden bird. Add details to the wooden bird. Now, it's time to add the finishing touches to your bird carving. You can use your detail knife, gouge, or V-tool to add fine details like feathers and eyes. Detailed wooden bird. Finish the wooden bird. Once you have added the finishing touches to your bird carving, it's time to protect and preserve your creation. You can apply a coat of wax or varnish to protect the wood and give it a nice shine. Conclusions and tips for bird carving. Wood carving birds is a fun hobby that combines nature and creativity. With the right tools, materials, and a little bit of patience, anyone can create a cute carved wooden bird. Remember, carving wooden birds is not a sprint, so take your time and enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques, woods, and patterns to find what works best for you.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.